Hey y'all, I hope you are doing well. I hope this video finds you well. Let's just jump right into it. I want to do a giveaway with these 2 skeins of Red Heart Roll With It tweed yarn. Now this yarn I purchased to do another project with. I ended up getting the wrong color, and instead of me taking it back to the store, just putting it away in my yarn stash, I've decided to do a quick giveaway. So I won't go into details about the greatness of this yarn. I just did a video on my channel discussing the yarn and all of that, and I've also done a couple of projects with the yarn that I also have on my channel. So really quickly, the giveaway rules. Go ahead and be subscribed to my channel, and not just subscribe, you guys, be active, engage with me, let me know what you like about my videos and what you don't so I can kind of make it better. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. That's going to allow you to know when I put out videos as well as who won this contest. And also just leave a comment down below letting me know why you like the yarn or what you're going to make with the yarn or anything like that. That's going to get you entered into the giveaway. And as of right now, this video is only open to my US subscribers, just because I am the one hosting the video, I am the one sponsoring it, which means I'm also the one handling the cost. So there you are, guys. Good luck to everyone. Again, I don't know if I told you, it's going to run for 1 week, so by March the 12th I will pick a winner. So make sure you check the description box down below for written details. Good luck to everyone, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.